Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get crown on Duolingo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To get crown on Duolingo, firstly go ahead and launch open your Duolingo application. The home page of Duolingo application will appear on the screen. The home screen may get different due to language that you are learning or because of your progress in learning language. So if you want to earn crowns or get crowns on Duolingo, you can get crowns by completing a certain amount of skills and moving on to difficulty level. Each skill that you do has a crown level associated with it. When you level up a skill, you will earn a crown. Once you'll complete a task, you'll be able to get a crown on Duolingo quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.